Hi, this is Lincoln Total Parts Pro today for 2012 Volkswagen Jetta stock number 7168. This ran from the 2nd 2011 to the 12th 2017. Here's a CCZA 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine picked by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a CCZA 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left-hand headlight, left-hand guard, left front 17-inch factory naked tyre, left hand door mirror, front bonnet, left front door no dents, left rear door 2 dents, left rear 17-inch factory naked tyre, rear boot lid, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory naked tyre, right rear door 5 dents, right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front 17-inch factory naked tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke metal steering wheel, functional cluster,